Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be going to discuss another problem in linked list. Problem is remove duplicate element from sorted linked list. So the problem is very easy. In this problem we are given a singly linked list, right? And we need to remove all the duplicate nodes from the list. And we do not have to use any extra space. We have to do it in O of n time complexity and constant space, right? So let's see. For example, let's take a linked list. Let's take this linked list, right? So if we have this linked list and this is null, right? So we have to remove all the duplicate nodes from this linked list. If you see, this is sorted linked list, right? This is sorted in ascending order, and we have to make it like this. It should be, the output should be 1 2. So this is duplicate, so this should be eliminated, right? Then there should be 3, this one, and then this should be eliminated, and then there should be 4, which is this one, right? So our output should be this, right? So, and this we need to do in O of n time complexity and O of 1 space complexity, right? What do you think we can do? Like, it is very much clear, right? It is very much clear that O of n means single traversal. We will do one single traversal of the linked list, and we do not have to use any extra space, so we have to deal with variables only, and we have to do somehow, right? We have to eliminate the duplicate somehow using variables. Now let's see how we can approach the problem. See, uh, I will be given, like, we'll be given head of the linked list, right? Head will be over here. Now if you see, like, if you, and we will like always take a current, and we like initialize it with head, and we like traverse the current pointer, right? We move the current pointer, we do not move the head pointer, we move the current. So current is initially at 1, then current will come at 2, right? Current will come at here at 2. Now when it comes at 2, because this is a sorted linked list, right? So if there is a duplicate of 2 node, then it will be after that, right? Because it's sorted. So if you see that here is 2, we will check whether the next of this next node has the same data, like see 2 and 2. So then we will not move current over here, we will move current to next of next over here, right? So if there is duplicate node, current pointer will move by two positions, right? And if there is not a duplicate node, like for example over here, let's see, we have current over here, and the next node is also duplicate, so the current will not move over here, it will move 2 positions, right, over here. So what how our current pointer moved? 1 2, and after 2 it has gone to 3 over here, and after 3 it has gone to 4. So the output is 1 2 and then 3 and then 4. So it's pretty much simple, right? Pretty much simple. Let's discuss the algorithm. First of all, we have taken, like, let's discuss the algo. I hope after, like, just we'll understand the algo first, and then I hope you will write the code by yourself, which will be very easy, right? Code is very easy. First of all, we have taken a pointer, and we have stored the head in it, like the initialize it with the head. Then we'll be moving the current pointer, like while current next is not null. That means while we are not at the end of the linked list, like the end node, right? If the current data, right, current data is equal to the current's next data, means the next node data, which is the node which is next to it. If the data is like equal, then it means that the next node is the duplicate node, so we need to remove that. So the current will now shift to current. So the current next will be, basically current next will be current's next. That means, see, over here, if you go, when we have, like, let me erase this. See, when our current was over here, and we saw that this is 2, right? This is same as this value, so this current's next will now not be this, will not be this, it will be this next, this node's next. That means current next next, that means this one. So it will be connected with this, right? And if it is not a duplicate node, then we will move, just we'll move current to current next. That means one position. That means, see, when we were at 1, suppose our current was initially at 1 na? So current was at 1. Now 1, this is 1 and this is the next node is 2, so the data is not equal, so the current will just simply move, right? So after doing this, after this while loop, all the duplicate nodes will be eliminated, and at the end we will just return, will we return current or we'll return head? We'll return head, because current will not be pointing to the first node of the linked list. We need to return the first node of the linked list, right? So this is the approach. I hope, just pause the video and write the code. You will be able to write the code. Let's see the code. We'll see the C++ code first, and then we'll see the Java code. So in the C++ code, we have taken a current pointer, initialize it with head, right? We are moving till the current pointer is at the last node of the linked list. That means current's next is not equal to null. We'll be moving till that. If the current's data is equal to current's next data, means if there are duplicate nodes, then just the current next should be now pointing to the current's next. That means the next to next node. Else, if they are not equal, they are not duplicate nodes, then simply just move the current to the next node, and at the end return head, right? If you submit this, it's working, right? Now if we see the Java code, it's exactly same. Taken a current pointer, initialize it with head, then moving currents next not equal to null, we are moving till that. That means we are traversing till the last node of the linked list. If the current node's data is equals to current's next data, means if there are duplicate nodes, then the current's next should be linked to the current's next. That means the duplicate node should be eliminated, and then they should be linked to the next node. Else, if there are no duplicate nodes, then we just need to move current as it is, like to the next node. Current's next should be current next. That means current should be current's next. And then after this while loop, all the duplicate nodes will be removed, and just we will simply return head. If we submit this, it will be accepted. So the Python code is exactly same, right? And it's successfully submitted, right? So I hope you understood the approach. I hope you understood how to write the code. And if you have any doubt, please write in the comment section. I'll be happy to help. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. It motivates a lot. Please share with your friends, and I'll meet you in the next video.